To change the time and date on the SmartGard keypad using the 8-digit program code, first go ahead and hit the down arrow key to activate the keypad to accept the 8-digit program code. Next, go ahead and enter in the 8-digit code to get to the program menu. Press the down arrow key 4 times until you get to the Set Date Time screen. Here, go ahead and overtype the numbers for the date and then the time. We'll go ahead and just enter in what we have right now. 12:08:09 at 11:42 a.m. Once the data is entered, just hit escape, and the data has been saved to the keypad.